Okay, so this corner here, you want to pull it, but not too tight where it's going to change the shape of the foam on the corner here. You want it to still maintain that softness, but there's a fine line. So just pull it to where you can feel it's taut, but it's not pulling. And then staple it directly from the corner out. And then we're going to pleat it, because that looks pretty when it's pleated. It looks like that's how it's supposed to be, and it's not just this hot mess of chaos that's going on. I can feel there's a little weirdness right here because the wood is actually, I don't know if you can see that, the wood ends right here and it's actually sticking out past the padding. It would be nice if the padding was a little higher, but it is not. So I'm going to try to make a pleat right at the edge of this wood to hide the fact that that is happening. But I want another pleat right here. So I'm going to pleat it, and then I'm going to pleat it right on this edge. So there's 3 intentional pleats right here. Okay, you see that? All right, so then we're gonna staple that. So you're basically just designing something that looks aesthetically pleasing instead of a hot mess. So that's what we're gonna do. So go ahead and pull that and staple it. Now that this corner is done, we can attach it to the rest that we'd already done here. Okay, so that's done. You can see what that looks like on the inside. Not perfect, but way better. Kind of using this area as the focal point to everything, for everything to meet at. Okay, so I finished doing the pleats, as you guys can see. That's what they look like now. And then I'll go ahead and do the other side. I'm also going to eliminate a lot of this fabric. It's not needed, to make it look a little better. Okay, both of the corners are done. I'm going to remove this extra fabric. Pleats look great. The corners look great. It's very taut and not a hot mess. So I will trim it and then flip it over. Okay, so I trimmed all the extra fabric off. You can see how nice it looks. No funkiness. It's very pretty on the other side. Nice and smooth. Pretty good.